Today I want to show you how I can cook kasha grains. Kasha, from what I understand from research, it is an Asian grain, and I have enjoyed mixing it with other Asian grains like quinoa and Vege. I will be showing you how I can cook this Asian grain without any measurement. First, start and wash your kasha grains. This is what the washed kasha grains look like, and as you can see, as you start to wash it, some of the grains starts to open up, and that's why I want to show you this instruction video. This is a very delicate grain. Go ahead and put it in your pot. Before I forget, this is 1 cup of kasha grains, and I have put it into the rice cooker. Feel free to cook it on an open flame. With this instruction video, I want to show you how to cook this without using any measurements so that you can eyeball it as you are cooking this. Cook it with your intuition. That's what I want to show you. As you are seeing, this grain is very delicate. Some of the greens or the seeds, whatever that is, they're starting to split open. I am adding a little bit of water, and with my strategy, when I eyeball things, I do it little by little, and that's what I will suggest that you do. The steam is what's going to cook this. Go ahead, cover up your rice cooker, and I'm going to cook this on the brown rice setting. Every time I work with Asian grains, I always cook it on the brown rice setting for some reason. While that is cooking, I'm so excited to share with you this sneak peek recipe that I'm working on. And in here, I'm fermenting kasha grains so that I can make a fermented porridge. I know it sounds weird, but as the saying goes, don't knock it until you try it. And I will ferment this for 3 days. Do stay tuned for that recipe. And another thing that I forgot to mention, this grain smells beautiful. It smells wonderful in its raw state. It just has this sweet smell to it. And I am so excited and looking forward to the fermented kasha porridge. I am super excited. You have no idea. So yeah, do stay tuned. My people, everything is cooked. I know that you see some ball looking greens still show. It is fully cooked through. Yeah, that is very much cooked. I wouldn't even say it was maybe 4 tablespoons of water. No, it was less than that. This is the first time I'm cooking with kasha grains by itself. I have gone ahead and mixed it with other Asian grains, and that's when I noticed that this grain is very delicate. I hope that you enjoy this sharing, and kindly share with other people in your circle so that they too are inspired to cook such foods without focusing or worrying about measurement. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.